Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Piggy Build Mode. Head straight to the map with the bot you want to change. Once inside, open the Build Mode UI and choose the Bots or NPCs tab so you only see NPC elements. You should click the exact bot to highlight it. This attaches the editor to that entity. Make sure you have edit permissions. If a bot won't highlight, confirm you're the map owner or have collaborator rights. Now you're ready to access the bot's appearance controls. Once the bot is highlighted, open its Properties or Appearance panel. This is where the skin lives. You'll see either a skin dropdown or a field to paste a custom skin ID. Choose the dropdown for built-in options or paste the asset ID for a unique texture. After selecting, use the editor preview to rotate and check the bot under current lighting so you can judge color and fit. Make iterative changes until the look matches your intent, then move to finalize the change. To finish, press Save or Apply on the Appearance panel and then test the map in play mode to confirm the bot uses the new skin. If the skin didn't change, check the asset's permissions, make sure the texture is public and the asset ID is correct. Also confirm you didn't paste extra characters. If the editor preview still shows the old skin, clear the client cache or restart the editor. Doing so forces an asset reload. One troubleshooting tip:
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.